All right, so the cash cow channel ideas I'm about to go over are channels which are making over $10,000 per month or are on their way to make over $10,000 per month. So watch the rest of the video to find out what they are. And what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. And if you're wondering of some new cash cow channel ideas for you to start in, you're in the right place because I'm going to go over 5 YouTube cash cow channel ideas that you can get started with. So let's get started with the video. So the first channel, which I'm very adamant on, is within the space niche. So if you watch some of my other videos, I absolutely love the space tech side of cash cow channels. And so this is a channel called Voyager, and they're at 100,000 subscribers. And the really cool thing about this faceless cash cow channel is that they are getting sponsored like crazy. So here you can see one of their videos that they posted 3 weeks ago. They got sponsored by Magellan TV. So to kind of give you an estimate, I have my own space tech channel, and it's about maybe like 500,000 views, 600,000 views. And so let's use the lower end, and 500,000 views is making about $3,000 per month for me. So if they're getting around 3 million views, that's 6x of what I'm making. So they're well over 20 grand per month with this channel. So that's only the AdSense side. So add that to the sponsorship from Magellan and their other sponsorships. This channel, I have no doubt, could be well making over close to $50,000 per month. So definitely take a look at this channel, and I must say that their thumbnails, the quality of their videos, their voiceover, it really does speak brandability of that kind of space tech theme. So if you're looking to get into this niche, you gotta kind of understand that you're going up against this guy or this girl. And what I mean by that is that you're going up against Voyager. Their content is very good. Their videos, their voiceover, their thumbnails, it's very good. So just because I'm mentioning a space tech channel and you decide to go through with it, or you decide to join in on it, make sure you take a look at this channel, because again, this is what you're quote unquote going up against. So let's move on to the second channel now. The second channel that I recommend you kind of hopping in on or starting a channel in is the celebrity niche. So this is a channel called Hot Hut, and what I really like about them is that they only have 67 videos posted, but they're nearing almost 1 million views. And they don't have a lot of subscribers. They only have around 80,000 subscribers. So with this channel, you can see it's about celebrities, it's about rappers, it's about trending news, breaking news. If you're going to go into the celebrity niche, I can't stress enough that you have to be on top of trending or be quick to capitalize on trending topics. As you can see of their most recent videos, Eminem and 50 Cent react to the game, NBA YoungBoy responds to Gucci Mane's publicity stunt, Pete Davidson reacts to Kanye West's Easy diss. What I noticed about Hot Hut is that they're very quick to capitalize on whatever's trending on the news. So if you're going to be celebrities, you can't just be doing top 10 things about celebrities or kind of being late to news. It's I'll be honest, it's really almost, it's like a proven formula in which if something is happening on the news in the celebrity world and you're quick to make a video covering on it, it's very easy to get views. And although I'm talking about celebrities, I'll be talking about this more in sports, because me personally, it's hard for me to keep track of celebrities just because I'm not really into that pop culture type news drama. However, with sports, it's a whole different ordeal because I actually enjoy sports and I keep up with sports. So every time something new happens within the sports, I'm quick to capitalize on it. So with Hot Hut, if we take a look at their videos, again, they're capitalizing on trending news. Their thumbnails, they're very easy to make, I must admit. You know, it's a single scene thumbnail, which is a single individual, and then they have the yellow text, a very short phrase of imagining what the celebrity is saying. Here we have a split screen thumbnail, a split screen thumbnail. But I have no doubt that you can find someone to make video thumbnails like this. So I'm not saying that their thumbnails are bad, but you can most certainly make thumbnails like this as well. What's going to differentiate you both, though, what I mean by both is this individual and you who's planning to go into celebrities, is the who's quick enough to actually cover the trending news in the celebrity world. All right. So let's move on to the third YouTube cash cow channel niche idea, and that's within fitness. So with this channel, it's not often I see a fitness top 10 channel, but The Iconic Body, they've only posted about 65 videos, and the really cool thing is that they're only posting once a week, which is very, very little. So I have no doubt that they are profitable. But what this channel does though is that it's literally creating viral content. So it kind of differs from my ways of teaching, in which I make sure to include a celebrity name or a known figure within the title. But what this channel is doing is that they are just creating very good viral content. So based on what I'm looking right now, it looks like they're how women react to ripped men, no shame videos. They're trying to capitalize on that because it worked once here, and then they're trying a part 2. It also got 35k views, and then they're trying a part 3. It also got 19k views. So if you've joined my Patreon community, our private Discord group, you'll know that I have this method called doubling down. And this guy or this individual is doing the doubling down method. However, I think it can be done even harder. And what I mean by harder is that there's a lot more ways to double down on a video than just to create the same video topic more than once. But regardless, if you analyze this channel and you're looking to get into the fitness industry, you can see what other videos have worked with them as well. But I'll be honest in that what I think this channel is really exceeding on is that although they're not including celebrity names or known figure names within the title, the thumbnail is very good and the actual video is also very good, which gets people to watch. So it's a good trade-off, you know, without even having to include a celebrity name in the video. As long as the thumbnail is good and as long as the average view duration is good, that leads to a solid performing video. So let's move on to the fourth YouTube cash cow channel idea, and that channel is called Dynamic Films. So Dynamic Films, they're very, very early as well. I think this was a kind of a rehash channel, but they only have 59 videos posted, 500,000 views, and 15 they're only posting every other day. So with my show's channel, it's getting around 2 million views, which is equatable to about 12k. So I imagine this channel is making about 3k per month, which is still putting into profit. But let's take a look at this channel and see what they're doing. So rather than targeting celebrity names, they're targeting actual names of upcoming movies, which is a searchable term within the YouTube space. People are actually typing Pacific Rim 3. People are actually typing Rick and Morty season 6. So TV shows is the first niche I ever got into, and this person or individual is, this person or individual is absolutely crushing it with their thumbnails. They're absolutely crushing it with the keyword terms that they're using because it's actually searchable keywords and such. And look at all the keywords that they're including with their titles. They're not only including the name of the TV show or movie, but they're actually including the actors' names as well, which is, again, it's also searchable keyword terms and such. And even here, I noticed that sometimes these actual movies may not even be real movies. It's just interesting and click-worthy video titles and concepts. So very, very cool conceptual channel that I recommend you joining in on as well. I think it'll be very hard to find a thumbnail artist who can create video thumbnails like these. However, if you can, then it may be worth a shot going into the TV show niche, simply because, you know, thumbnails are absolutely on point, and I'm not sure what the content of some of these videos are if the actual movie doesn't exist. But overall, it's just entertaining content to watch that if people click on Bad Boys 4 with Will Smith and Martin, I forgot his name, but as long as you're delivering some sort of value, then I have no doubt these videos will perform well. So the last niche I want to go over is sports. And as redundant as sports sounds, what I like about this channel is that they've actually stopped posting and they're raking in an easy $3,000 per month, even though they stopped posting. So this is a channel called NBA Central, and what they do is that they have basically evergreen videos, hands down evergreen videos that withstand the tests of time, and people 2 years from now, would they still want to see 5 items that LeBron James Jr. owns? Would they still want to see odd NBA rules that you know that didn't exist? There's a very good chance that, 2 years from now, people will still click on these videos, which is why they've stopped posting and they're still making around 2 to 3 grand per month. This is completely passive income, which I think is super awesome, and it's why I love this model of YouTube cash cows, YouTube automation and such. And so if we take a look at their videos, I mean, it's been quite a while since they posted. The last time they posted was 8 months ago. Isn't that crazy? 8 months ago was the last time they posted. but their channel is still making money. It's still getting views. This is true definition of making passive income from YouTube, because it's not requiring any maintenance and such. But with that being said, that's all I have for this video, everyone. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do leave them down below. And in addition, if you want to join my private Patreon community, while I'm going to start doing monthly calls to go over my own channels and also go over some of your guys' channels as well, do join down below in the description, okay? So with that being said, that's all I got. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.